Hey you, welcome back to my channel. I am Stormy, and today this is part 2 of mode 2 and it's the Dorian mode that we're working with today. So you've already learned mode 1. If you have not, then go back in the series to the first video and watch mode 1, and it will teach you how to do mode 1, which was the Ionian mode. Today is mode 2, which is the Dorian mode. We are going to dive on in, but first I have to let you know that in every scale there is 7 notes, and we're going to do the Ionian scale again, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will notice something when you are doing it. I will call these 3 and 4 are twins, and 7 and 1 are twins. They are always stuck together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 always stuck together. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4 always stuck together. 5, 6, 7, and 1 always stuck together. 2, 3, 4. You'll always get that. Anytime you get a 3, 4 or a 7, 1, they're Siamese twins. Remember that. Okay, so on to mode 2. Mode 1 is here. So mode 2 will start here a whole step up. But we are still in key of G. All right. So mode 2 will be played like this. Here is the chord chart. You can play along with me while I play with you and make sure it sounds the same. And you're going to keep playing it until you can memorize it without looking at the chord charts. All right, you ready? Remember, you have to skip up 1 with a B string and then go backwards. Keep going up and down, back and forth until you're comfortable with playing it and you can memorize it. The best way to do that is to find a backing track in G major key, because we are still in G major key. How do you know that? Because G major starts here. And once you play mode 2, you have to only play mode 2 on mode 2 string, which is a string a whole step up from the 1. So this was 1 mode in G major. This is a G. This is mode 1, Ionian mode, and this is mode 2, Dorian mode. So you will play here in the key of G. If you are in the key of A, this would be the Ionian mode 1, and this would be Dorian mode 2. See? If you were in the key of B, which is right here, this would be mode 1, and a whole step up will be mode 2. I hope you got that. So now we're going to stay in the key of G major, and we're going to play mode 2 on 2. So find your backing track in G major. I know I keep telling you to go on YouTube, but I know you're already on YouTube, but go get your iPad or another phone and find a backing track in G. We are in G, and you're still going to play mode 2, which is the Dorian mode, in G, and it works in any other key If you play it in A, B, C, D, whatever, it still works in any key. So find your backing track in G major that you like and that you can groove with. This is how you're going to memorize the notes in the scale. So pause this video, go find your G major track and go play. Alright, so in the next video, I will teach you how to connect 1 and 2 after you have learned how to play in the Dorian mode. Now, the reason why we call these different names like that is because all of these modes have different feelings. But I will teach you that at the end of this lesson about the different feelings of the modes and how you can still play different modes in any key starting with any number. I hope I'm not confusing you right now, but let's just take it slow and learn these freaking notes. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Also, if you have any questions about this or anything, just drop them below and I will answer them when I see them. Okay? Bye for now.